Hello everyone, this is Fahim Ansari, Assistant Professor at RP Institute of Pharmacy at RPIIT campus, Bastada, Karnal. We are in the series of the evaluation technique of the bacteriostatic or bactericidal substances. We will discuss today about the bacteriostatic methods. In the last video, we have discussed one method, which is the agar plate or the dilution test tube method. Now we have the second test of the bactericidal, which is the cup plate method. In this method, as the name is plate method, agar is used as a solidified medium. Only solid agar is used. No liquid media or nutrient broth is used in this method. Firstly, the agar is melted in the required quantity and cooled at the 45 degrees Celsius. Then we will inoculate that agar with the test microorganisms and poured into a sterile petri plates. Firstly, the agar is melted in an autoclave or in a hot air oven. Then when it cools down to 45 degrees Celsius, so that if we add the inoculated a temperature above than 45 degrees Celsius or 50 to 60 degrees Celsius, then this will destroy the bacteria. This will kill the bacteria. So no inoculation takes place. So when it comes to the temperature of 45 degrees Celsius, then we will inoculate the testing microorganisms, which may be one of the three microorganisms in which we earlier discussed, S. typhi or Pseudomonas or and then we will pour this media, inoculated media, into the sterile petri plates so that the growth of the bacteria can be occur. In that plate, when it is solidified, the agar is solidified at room temperature, then we will do the holes around 8 millimeter in the diameter and are cut in the medium with a steel cork borrower, which is an instrument used to the for that cup plating method. Now the antimicrobial agents is directly placed in the holes. There is a cavity is formed when the solidified agar is cut from a particular place. It is thickness or the cavity size is about 8 millimeter in the diameter. Now the antimicrobial agents are directly placed or poured into that holes. Then all the cases of the inhibition may be observed of A, B, C, D, all the standard, and in which we can take the sample more than one in this. While in the previous we use the only one sample or one disinfectant in one time, but in this we can do the multiple tests. This is a steel cork borrower which is used to do hole in the petri plates, is an instrument, and in the second picture you can see how the hole or cavity is made in the agar plates. The steel cork is sterilized before use. And now how we are calculate the result. This is a schematic diagram and this is an actual diagram, diagram number 2 of this method. In the middle you can see the a zone of antibiotics around the that 8 mm circle. How much the effective of the disinfectant, the bigger the circle is formed. If and it is calculated with reference to the standard, and how multiples, as I explained that multiple samples can be placed or multiple disinfectant can be tested at the same time. Thank you.